Good day to you. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading. Quickly, I want to show you how to use this strategy on the MT4. This setup is for MT4 trading, and I have a couple of indicators on my chart that I'm going to explain briefly. And you can use this strategy on any time frame you want, but this is 15 minutes, and I will change to different time frames so that you can see. Now, this is how to use this simple strategy, and this is channel indicator. We have channel indicator, we have the blue arrow, the yellow arrow. All the arrows on this chart does not disappear once the candle closes. So you are going to use it when the candle closes, so it doesn't disappear. And then we have advanced ADS and extreme spark indicator and the seal winner trend indicator. So we have a lot of indicators combined together on this platform on my screen right now. And this is the trade that I took. This is 15-minute time frame. We have the blue arrow here followed by yellow arrow, and this happened uh, at the upper channel, at the upper channel. This is the channel indicator, the blue line, the channel indicator, and we have the blue and the yellow arrow appears on this chart, and where this arrow appears, this is set zone. We have a zone indicator. Let me move to 1 hour so I'll be able to see. This is buy zone, and this is the aqua color is buy zone, and the crimson color is sell zone. So we have this setup was formed in a sell zone. So and I have to take that particular trade, and here is it. Then at this point I like to get out of the trade. Reason is this: we're at the lower channel already, though I've secured part of my profit, and the lower channel already. We have the blue arrow and the yellow arrow, and how to use this setup is this. The major way to use this is that all these conditions for sell must happen at the upper bound of the channel, at the upper line of the channel. The upper side is the blue line, and then we have the blue arrow and the yellow arrow. Once this happen, check your the other indicator on the an indicator window, the advanced ADX and the other indicator here that I combine into indicators together here also. So all these are red. So once they're in agreement, and this setup was formed in a session, then you can place your trade, and your target will be the next lower part of the channel. And so once you see all this in agreement, the indicator, the two arrows at the upper channel, the down indicators in agreement turn red, then you will check this indicator, the MACD total EMA indicator here. If it is red, when I enter this trade, it was red then, so it's now turning to green. The 1 minute and 5 minutes are turning to green, telling us the trend is changing. The trend is changing, and here the other indicator tells us the buy condition is 50%, sell condition is 45.7%. So you have to wait for this to be higher than this. Most of the time, I prefer like 60% and above before I take a place for a buy for sell. The same thing, 60% above for a sell trade. So, and this is turning to a green right now. So we are about to look out for a buy signal and wait for every other thing to be in agreement before you actually place this trade. So this is how this strategy actually work. It work well if you follow this strategy. Everything must be in agreement at the sell zone or buy zone. So we have this is buy zone, and this is another one. Say another setup. We have this yellow arrow, the blue arrow, and everything was on the buy zone, and this turned to blue, and the other one turned to white at this one. So at this point we place our order for a buy, And at this point also, we place order for a sell. Everything is in agreement at this point, and your target will be the lowest channel. So this is how this indicator works. This is for 1 hour, and this is it. For 1 hour, we are seeing a downtrend, but we may have a bit retracement in the lower time frame before this trend will continue down, because we have 1 hour, 30, 50 minute, the whole. All right, so this is 1 hour, and this happened here around the 38% retracement level, and just a little retracement before it finally push to the upside. And this is 1 hour. You can see here it's a good setup. This 1 hour, and this was an agreement. Then at that point you place your order, and here is it all the way. And now we're in a sell mode right now, and here is this and coming down. And another thing, you wait for let the candle turn to red before you place your order for a sell. Then for a buy, it must turn to white as we have it here, and every other thing must be in agreement. Once it's in agreement, you can place your order, and it will deliver, provided there's no any news that will alter the direction of the market. So having said this, if you need the setup or the indicator, you can get it online free of charge. But if you need my setup, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, chat me up on Telegram, or drop your comment, and I will gladly send it to you. So do enjoy the rest of your day. If you have any question, chat me up, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Happy trading.